好像春天的一幅画，画中是遍山的红桃花，蓝蓝的天和那青青篱笆，花瓣飘落你身下。画中呀，是不是你的家？朵朵白云染红霞，哥哥心中的九妹你知道吗？是我心中那一幅画。九妹九妹，漂亮的妹妹，
漂亮的妹妹，
九妹九妹，透红的花蕾，
透红的花蕾，
九妹九妹，可爱的妹妹，
可爱的妹妹，
九妹九妹，
心中的九妹，
九妹九妹，漂亮的妹妹，
漂亮的妹妹，
九妹九妹，透红的花蕾，
透红的花蕾，
九妹九妹，可爱的妹妹，
可爱的妹妹，
九妹九妹，我的九妹。
Remote control to handle Cartesian problem. The remote control this time we meet a problem about the Cartesian coordinates. If the machine is without motion, only input and output, that's okay, no matter which one is client or which one is server, can control both sides. This time, why we concentrate on solve this problem? Because GAC's president Huang busy Peking last Monday, and those people says we'll give the projects, we'll give the money. So every time President Huang fly to Peking, all because this sentence, but always feel sad back, didn't get any money. Day and day, time and time passing, but doesn't matter. So before President Huang leaving, he insisted to test the remote control from Taipei and Tofen. So after make sure the remote control functions okay, then as President Huang in Peking can use his notebook doing the role as the client to connect with the computer in Tofen as server, as the server running the water jet cutting something, the encoder information will return back to Peking to the notebook. So at that moment, the screen, the virtual machine, will running in animation and show to the customer. And the engineer at Tofen will open his iPhone by using light, take a photo of the physical running. So in Peking, President Huang can show the customer the physical machines on the screen on his handphone, and the virtual machine on his notebook. this is what he intend to do. It is very success. Actually, it always very success. But I catch the chance to do one thing is very important and useful. Is whenever our machines in Thailand get trouble, he crying for help. Then no matter we are in Taipei or Tofan or not, suppose in Taipei we don't have physical machine. We have only the notebook or fast PC, desktop PC. We still can use kind of computer running the virtual machine as the server and produce the IP address and lie to the engineer besides the physical machine. And the machine as a client connected with the server in Taipei, and as running we can see the virtual machines on the screen, and also from the handphone we can see the physical machines running. Use this way we can very easy to find the problem. Is I/O problem or some motion problem or whatever. But this time, as doing the beauty cutting, we have to change from the join mode to Cartesian modes, and then use DSF in. We can solve the problem in one process. We will see the join on the screen and see the teaching data inside the data field. After dumping in data field, then we can run to simulate on the notebook. The moment on the server we change the join mode to Cartesian Coordinate System (CCS), the engineer in Tofan immediately pass MP4 to us. Just this, I show you. The virtual machine shading like this. So this problem actually is we never met, because we always doing the remote control always by automation. That means running a program from the server. The program is prepared. Just run. The server just sent the join coordinates to the client. The client accepts nothing but join data, because the 5 axis is joins only recognize the join coordinates, the models coordinates. The Cartesian coordinate like this one, the point of the tooltip x, y, z, and rx, ry, rz has no meaning to the machine. That's the reason why the server sent Cartesian coordinate to the client on the join mode. As the client accepts the Cartesian and recognized the data as the join coordinates and execute it. That's the reason why vibrations happen. But actually, our system like this, if the machines connected with these machines, we can suppose this one as server. Right now in join mode, we can move whatever. The server move, the client will move as well simultaneously. While the server change to the join mode, the client will vibrations. But we need the Cartesian coordinates. Suppose if we want to thrust the tool along the x directions, I show you as positive, forward and retreat back. It's very easy to use Cartesian coordinate system. If using the join mode, it is impossible to thrust so precisely along the inclined vector. So in Cartesian coordinate systems, why the machine can work simultaneously like the screen? Because the Cartesian coordinate systems on the screen is showing to the operator. The program actually is sending join coordinates to the controller, to the model, to control the system. That means Cartesian coordinates. Now outside is Cartesian coordinate system, but inside we handling the join coordinate system. The solutions is, as the server running in Cartesian coordinates and sending the data by means of the web, is sending the join coordinates to the client. So the client always in join modes and accept the data, always join data. In this case, the client won't vibrate. The problem is solved. Let me show you the demonstrations. At my right hand is a notebook SP. The water jet already loaded, and let me see the server client open or not. Okay, server connected host IP address 192.168.1.111. The server is opened as well. Right now on the screen, we try to connect with the server as a client. Beside the machines, connect with physical machines. So we cannot accept the input data as Cartesian coordinate systems, because the server is always showing join mode. Okay, let's connect remote control, open client. The IP address is 192.168.1.111. 1.111. Okay. Connected. Client connected. While the client connected will showing on the server screen, or maybe not because too fast, or the data flash and the operator didn't see anything. But after connection, the server can really easy to test connected or not. Just simply send a Y, suppose press the Y1. The Y1 read. This message will send to the client. You can see Y1 on. By the handphone communications talking. Okay, Y1 is on. The connection server client is okay. Then to prepare the beauty join, no matter the server change to the Cartesian mode or not, you can see the screen always join and never moving to anywhere. As DSF file in and open beauty.dsf on the server. Okay, I press the button now. You can see on the server a join and the teaching data in the data area. Right now the server is in Cartesian coordinates, and let's change the server to the join mode. So this moment we can run from the server, and on the screen the client can see the toolpath leading by the server. Okay, run. Okay, it's running. You can see the data jump in here and the toolpath cutting in here, and the join of the server leading the toolpath. So after this alternation, thereafter we don't have this problem about the Cartesian on the server and the join on the client will vibrate on the screen. The problem is solved, but we still have to be humble to think maybe still any functions, malfunctions, according to the more and more customers using and the variety situation, something will happen. We still face the capability of find solutions to solve the problem. The faster solve the problem, the customer will feel satisfied. Okay. Remote control to handle the Cartesian problem ending.
桃花依旧发，你却已不再弄桃花。悠悠的流水和空空牵挂，伴着那淡淡云霞。不知你远去在何方，思念是我对你的表达。红红的脸颊带着点点的笑，在梦里隐隐缠绕。九妹九妹，漂亮的妹妹，
漂亮的妹妹，
九妹九妹，透红的花蕾，
透红的花蕾，
九妹九妹，可爱的妹妹，
可爱的妹妹，
九妹九妹，心中
的九妹，
九妹九妹，漂亮的妹妹。